Well, we've gotten back to the property and we've got all our food. A lot of food. We've got like 20 50-pound bags, give or take. And someone forgot we're having issues with our 4x4. Four-wheel drive. So guess who is having all kinds of fun?
No hurricanes, no hurricanes, no hurricanes, no hurricanes.
There's days when him's not very smart, but he can lift heavy things.
Hey, I resemble that remark.
I'm not sure if I just stand here and watch or if I should, maybe I should give him a break and help. That's a lot of food to carry. He'll probably laugh because I can barely lift one bag. Alrighty. I guess I'm gonna try and help. We'll see you in a little bit.